Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to soft reset your iPhone 12 Pro. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue holding the lock button until your phone completely turns off. Once your phone turns off and turns back on and you see the Apple logo, you can then release. Look at the fingers for stability making this video. Jeez. You can let go. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And there you guys go. Your phone has been force resetted.